Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have Douglas Fir Essential Oil from doTERRA. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, guys, this is a 5 milliliter bottle. It's about 85 drops of essential oil, so that's going to last a very, very long time. Guys, this oil, it smells amazing. Some of these oils, guys, are hard to explain what they smell like. Luckily, this is not one of those ones. This one is super easy to explain what it smells like. It smells like you went to a Christmas tree farm and chopped down every single one of those Christmas trees and stuck them in your living room. That is what this smells like. It's an amazing scent, guys. It's a Douglas Fir, and I just love this scent. It's a very, very sweet, refreshing aroma. Guys, what this oil is good for is it may help cleanse the skin. It's also a great positive and uplifting oil. It's very refreshing, guys. You can use this topically. You can use this in a diffuser. There's so many different ways to use this. My favorite way to use this is in a diffuser because then it just smells like your whole house is Christmas time all the time. And even if it's not Christmas time, guys, who does not love to be surrounded by a forest? And that's exactly what this smells like when you're using this. It just smells like you're in the middle of a pine forest, and it just smells so good. My favorite thing about it just has to be the fact that it is from doTERRA. doTERRA does a lot of work testing their oils to make sure that what is actually in there is actually in there, what it says is in there, because not a lot of other companies do that. And it just gives me the confidence to use this. And I just really love this smell, guys. This has to be one of my top 10 essential oil choices to go when it comes to the scent and diffusing. I've been using doTERRA products for over 11 years, and I just love the way they're so powerful, and especially this one is how amazing this smells. And it just brings you into memories of going out into the forest and hammocking and just Christmas time because of the Christmas tree. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.